Hi there, I'm here with our BM5A MKII. BM5A MKII is a follow-up to the existing BM5A that has been hugely popular. BM5A is being used in all kinds of music applications, various studios and control rooms, and also post-production and broadcast facilities. The BM5A MKII at first glance looks very much like its predecessor BM5A. So the cabinet is the identical size and the looks are very much similar to the existing BM5A. But when you look a little bit closer on the MKII version, there's actually quite a few advancements that are worth noting. So starting out with the drivers. Both drivers in the BM5A MKII are high quality aluminum coil drivers that are handmade by Dynaudio at their manufacturing facility. So very high quality stuff. On the top here and on the tweeter we have a 1-inch tweeter that is one step up in the quality grade from the existing BM5A, which gives you a very high quality and very dense HF representation. Now in order to back that up a little bit more, we've done a very soft waveguide system on the HF driver up here. What that allows you to do is to steer your sweet spot a little bit more straight towards you in order to avoid any kind of acoustical reflections from the room that you're sitting in. So very nice HF representation. On the woofer side of things, we've added a 7-inch longer throw woofer compared to the existing 5A, which in essence translates into much cleaner bass representation and much more transparency. So again, cleaner and even louder levels, and still a very transparent and very true audio image that allows you to hear anything that's going on in your mix with the BM5A MKII. So that's the two drivers. To run these, we have a 2-channel 50 watt RMS amplifier. The amp is also capable of doing 90 watts of transient power. Now the matching between drivers and amplifiers are obviously very important. And in this case we've managed to match the amp and drivers perfectly. That gives you a 117 dB sound pressure level at a 1 meter distance. So very powerful little near field monitor, very clean and very loud. Let's have a closer look at the backside. On the back side of the monitor you'll find some of the regular stuff that you see on most other monitors, like the power input, power switch, and of course the XLR input for audio. But in addition to that we also have 3 filters. So there's an LF filter, an MF filter and an HF filter. These filters allow you to compensate acoustically for the placement and positioning of the monitor in your room. In addition to that we have a sensitivity switch and also a high pass switch that allows you to cut off some of the lower end in case you're running it with a subwoofer. So that's the overview of the BM5A MKII.